was a big restaurant. Nakavika in the big area, and then we
Senior government officials, representatives from the Water Authority of Fiji, villages of Nakavika, ladies and gentlemen, Mbulavinaka, and a good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here today in Nakavika village to commission this rural water project that will supply you all with a reliable flow of clean water. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the many rights and protections enshrined in our constitution is the right of every Fijian to clean and safe water in adequate quantities and accessible and adequate sanitation facilities. This is the sacred duty and responsibility of government, which mandates that we work to steadily realize universal access to clean drinking water for our people. Ladies and gentlemen, our 5-year and 20-year Fiji National Development Plan aims to have 100% access to safe drinking water by 2030 and 40% access to centralized sewerage systems by the year 2021. Currently, 78% of Fiji's population has access to safe, clean water, and around 71% has access to improved sanitation. Government through the Water Authority of Fiji, in prioritizing access to clean and safe water, has set aside in this current financial year a total budget of $27 million for water schemes in rural areas in Fiji. I know that this project is no different and that the $81,000 spent by government to make it possible is money well spent. The once unreliable water supply to Nakavika village will now be a thing of the past. I believe that access to clean water for our people is absolutely fundamental to our future development and for the prosperity of our people. And because of that commitment, we've opened new taps just like this one, along with massive new water infrastructure projects all across Fiji over this past decade. Access to clean water is more than a building block of development. It is a rock-solid foundation upon which a community can grow and prosper. I am told that this water project will benefit a total of 30 households and a total of 180 Fijians. Every Fijian, wherever they live, deserves to live with security and happiness that only clean water can provide. Water that can be used for drinking, cooking, washing, and keeping ourselves clean. Ladies and gentlemen, to guarantee a clean and steady flow of water to the people of the community, there is a newly constructed dam intake and a new 45,460 litre storage reservoir to supply water. Similarly, the Water Authority of Fiji has installed 35 standpipe connections, supplying water to ensure a healthier and happier future for you and your families. Without access to clean water, we can't stay healthy and hydrated throughout the day. We can't keep ourselves clean and maintain sanitary homes and schools. No family should wake up wondering where the water they need will come from. No family should be forced to make a long, arduous journey in times of drought. And every family should know that clean water is nearby, and whenever they need it, and in whatever quantities they require. And we will not rest until that is a reality for every Fijian. We all know that often Fijian women bear the brunt of labor in providing clean water for their families and communities. In the vast majority of cases, Fijian women are the ones traveling to sources of water who are carrying the heavy loads of water for washing, cooking, and cleaning. For those reasons, while this is a victory for every member of your communities, it is a special victory for the women of Nakavika and for your children as well, who can now grow up with the comfort of reliable access to clean water.
Kali una boga bilbila kan matakale sinin nilai. Ndele banu turbo ile bele koro Nakavika ramenda. Nawale una muniyado mai valele un single uniko. Kir la beto ko dum le ndam bati un single uniko. Kinabag sa chuma na matarawa o baturan.
Kimni na kalule na tamay kimami. Kim tanga ba na kimni sira ni sa atin ni lola mabi kimami na singin dendai. Naka.
Bilo 찍으세요. 안 오는 거 봐, 뭐? 빌로 가보자. 시내면 끌고. 에이, 삼마다가. 마다건 또 톰스라는 왔다. Seaqaqa.